Okay, so we are going to install Windows Server 2016 on a Hyper-V virtual machine in this video. So we have already downloaded the ISO from Microsoft website. I'm gonna just go into the settings and we don't have right now a DVD drive added to this VM, so I'll click on SCSI controller and DVD drive, add, and from here image file, browse, and then I'll just browse to here and apply. Okay, so I like to connect to the VM before starting the virtual machine because during the installation we'll have to press any key during the boot process. So let's wait for it to pop up. It's too slow. And start the virtual machine. Starting. Starting. Too slow. I will pause the video now and wait for this to load. Okay, so it is connected, but we missed the time where we have to press the key, so we will just reset this machine from here and press any key. Oh, why not? So file settings, and maybe firmware. Yep, so we have to make sure move up, and now it's gonna boot from DVD drive and then hard drive and then network. We don't want to put it from the networking from start, and then reset again. Don't show this again. Reset, and come on. Press any key, and the installation has started. So it's gonna start to load some files, and then when I have to perform any action, I'm gonna pause this video now and then unpause when I have to perform any action. Okay, so we are here on this installation setup, so we'll just leave these as this. Next, install now. Wait. Wait some more. Okay, so now we have this option. So whatever we install, we're gonna install desktop experience, because this one it's gonna install without GUI. So it's in the previous versions it listed here as server core installation. We can install using PowerShell command desktop experience if we install the server core, but right now we're just gonna install desktop experience. Standard evaluation. and accept the license, custom installation. Okay, so I only have one drive here, so we can do partition here, but when installing virtual machines, uh, I usually only create one hard drive unless it's a file server. So on this server, I'm planning to install Active Directory and then upgrade, in place upgrade, just to test how it works. So I'll just do next and it's gonna do partitioning by itself, and the installation will start. Maybe sometime today, hopefully. Oh yeah, started. So I'm gonna pause this video now and then wait until we are at the finishing up phase. Installation has been completed and the server is rebooted. Now it's getting ready. Okay, so now I'm being asked to set up password, and retype password. And now it should take me to the login screen. Okay, now we're at the login screen, so I'm just gonna do actions and control alt delete, and to the password. And our installation of Windows Server 2016 is now completed. So I'm gonna install Active Directory in a new video. Thank you for watching, guys. And if you have any questions, you can just reach out to me.